otoridad na ginawa ho ng akusado ang isang paratang sa kanya. Paano ho ako makukumbinsi kung wala hong dokumento o katibayan na pinapakita? Siyempre, para makumbinsi ho tayo, dapat makita natin, kunyari, non-filing of SALN. Dapat ho, may certification na hindi ho siya nag-file ng SALN. Pero kung wala akong papakitang dokumento, hindi ako makukumbinsi na may probable cause.
So aside from not being able to read the complaint and not seeing these documents, was there any other valid reason for you not to sign the impeachment complaint? Was there any other consideration that you...
Dalawa ho. Number one, hindi ako makakapirma nang hindi ko po nababasa.
Opo. Ano
Yan ho yung unang-una. Siyempre, kahit naman ordinaryong tao, hindi ka pipirma kung hindi mo nababasa. Number two ho, I felt it was an attempt, it was not a simple impeachment of the Chief Justice, but it was an attempt to control or to scare the Supreme Court. Kaya hindi ako pumirma.
Ano po, pakipaliwanag niyo po yung sinasabi ninyong an attempt to control the Supreme Court. Bakit niyo po nasabi yan?
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is already suspended.
It's an opinion.
Your Honor, kaya ko ho sinabing attempt ho, kasi yung unang attempt ho ay yung doon ho sa yung savings ng
Your Honor, maybe stop. He's arguing with the chair, Your Honor.
What was this?
Mr. Congressman, the objection is sustained. So, kindly wait for the next question.
Sorry, Your Honor.
All right.
Meron lang ako tatanungin.
Yes.
Doon ba sa caucus ninyo nandun si Congressman Neil Tupas?
Your Honor,
Nandun sa caucus si Congressman Neil Tupas.
opo, siya ho nagawa ng PowerPoint.
Si Congressman Joseph Emilio Abaya.
Joseph Emilio Abaya.
Hindi mo natatandaan.
I cannot say a definite yes, Your Honor.
Si Congressman Lorenzo Artañada III. Nandun.
May manifest that is taking a long time to answer, Your Honor.
Marami ba kayo doon?
Madami po.
Mga ilan kayo nandun?
At the peak, kasi siya, nung
Hindi, calculation lang.
pinaka 120, 130?
Nandun.
Opo. Nung time na nahandun ako, Your Honor, Mr. Senate President, I was just there from 2:30 to about 4:10. So,
Doon sa panahon na yon, marami.
mga 120 to 130. Pero umalis ho ako ng mga 4:10, Your Honor.
Nandun ba si Reynaldo V. Umali?
Ayun ho, sigurado ko malaking tao ho yun.
Nandun sa. Si Arlene J. Bagaw, nandun.
Nandun ho.
Nandun. Posibleng nandun si Congressman Abaya.
Posible ho, posible ho.
Posible rin na nandun si Congressman Tanyada.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, sige, proceed.
Sinabi mo that you were worried about the attempt at judicial control. Why were you worried?
Kasi ho,
Objection, Your Honor. Again, asking for
Your
an
Honor,
opinion.
the witness can explain.
That's an
Your Honor.
opinion, counsel. You're asking for an opinion.
No, I'm just asking Your Honor for his reason.
Precisely, you're calling. He's making that was his opinion. His surmise. It's not a question. It's not factual.
So,
Reform the question.
sige po. So, ito pong matapos pong magbigay ng conclusion po si Congressman Neil Tupas. Ano po ang nangyari doon po sa caucus?
meron pa akong gusto magtanong. Hindi na ako pinayagan magtanong. Tapos, ang sinabi, the Secretary General will administer the oath and verify the complaints in front. Yun ho.
Mr. Congressman,
Yes, Your Honor.
nandun ka magsimula sa anong oras?
2:30 ho hanggang 4:10, Your Honor.
2:30 hanggang 4:10.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sa Makatid, mahigit na 2 oras.
Hindi, Your Honor, 1.5 hours, Your Honor.
1 hour 40 minutes.
More or less, Your Honor.
Oh, sige. At natapos yung power presentation nung nandun ka.
Natapos ho siguro, kung tama ho yung aking recollection, mga nagsimula ho kami, Mr. Senate President, at mga between 3 to 3:10, tapos siguro mga 20 minutes yung PowerPoint presentation sa mga 3:40 to 3:45, tapos umalis ho ako ng mga 4 o'clock.
At
to 4.
prinisinta yung 8 articles of impeachment.
Opo, Mr. Senate President.
At inisplika kung ano yung mga PowerPoint na nakalagay doon.
Verbally, opo, Mr. Senate President.
Nag-explika doon sa bawat articles of impeachment.
Opo, Mr. Senate President.
Proceed.
So, nung matapos po, sinabi nyo, hindi na po pinayagang magtanong. Ano na po ang nangyari nung hindi na po nagkaroon ng tanungan?
Hindi, katulad ho ng sinabi ho na the Secretary General will be here to administer the oath and the verification. Pumila na yung mga pipirma.
Saan po pumila?
Doon ho sa kasi kung illustrate ko ho, nahandun ho si speaker doon ho nag-PowerPoint presentation, kaming lahat ho nakaharap doon. So doon ho sa baba ni speaker, doon sa harap ho.
Ito po, ilan pong mga tao ang tansyan yung nakita nyo na gusto pong pumunta doon para pumila? Ano po ba ang naging sistema ng pagpirma?
Nakapila ho sila, tapos meron din hong nakakumpul doon sa pumipila, Your Honor. Ibig sabihin, there was, sa bandang likod, there was a straight line. Pero right in the table, nakapaikot ho yung nakapaligid yung mga ibang mga congressman, Your Honor.
Yung ba mga nasa linya ay yun din yung mga tao na nandun sa caucus.
Opo, Your Honor. Pero hindi ho lahat pumila kaagad, Your Honor. Yung iba nagkwekwentuhan sa gilid, saka yung iba siguro dahil mahaba pa yung pila, pinapauna ho muna.
Nakita mo po ba sila habang pumipirma?
Kung ang tinatanong nyo is the act of signing, hindi ko ho makikita dahil nakapaligid ho yung mga tao doon sa mismong taong po. Kung ako pumipirma, may mga nasa kaliwa, may nasa kanan, may nasa likod, may sumisilip. So, kung sasabihin mong actual na nakita kong pumipirma, hindi ho.
How far away were you from the place where they were signing?
Siguro, kung kayo nakatayo dyan, nahandun ho sa likod ni Senator, sa may kay Senator Bong Revilla o sa likod ni Senator Bong Revilla at ni Senator Ralph Recto.
Let the record show that the witness has demonstrated the distance of his position to the location where the signing took place, which in our estimate would be about 20 feet.
More.
30 feet.
Your Honor, yung nasa Andaya Hall kami, no? Nandun ho ako malapit sa pinto ng Andaya Hall at nahandun ho yung sila sa bandang harap.
Nakita nyo pong pumipila. Gaano ko po ba katagal yung isang tao bago po umalis dun sa pila matapos siyang pumirma? How long did it take? Kung maalala ninyo.
tulad na nasabi ko ho kanina, hindi ko nakita yung kanilang pagpirma. Ang nakikita ko, pupunta sa harap yung isa, tapos aalis doon sa mismong gitna, either pupunta siya sa gilid, makikipag-usap po, or pupunta sa bandang likod. So yun ho ang tinatanong yung time.
Opo, yung pong time na yun, gaano katagal? Yung isang tao, gaano po ba katagal? Isang
20
minuto?
Hindi ho. 20 to 30 seconds at the most. 20 seconds.
Ngayon po, ito pong naging action po ng impeachment against Chief Justice Corona. What other measures has been filed in Congress involving the judiciary, if you know?
Isa ho, meron hong...
Objection, Your Honor.
He's a member of Congress, Your Honor. He would know the measures involving the judiciary.
Will you clarify your question?
It's big, Your Honor. What other measures? have
Yes,
been
Your
filed?
Honor.
Reform the question.
Yes. Mr. Witness, this after the signing of the impeachment complaint against Chief Justice Corona, are there other measures involving the judiciary in Congress which you know?
Leading, Your Honor, because he's
No, I'm just
presuming
asking
that there were other actions, Your Honor.
I'm just asking, Your Honor, if he knows.
Preliminary. Let him answer.
Your Honor, December... Pwede hong tignan yung notes ko?
Go ahead, Mr. Congressman.
The witness, Your Honor, is going over his notes. Let the
December 7 ho. December 7 was a Wednesday po, Your Honor. So, December 7, 2011, pinagbotohan ho sa Committee on Justice yung substance ng Del Castillo impeachment. Okay? Noong December 12 ho, 5 days after, 5 calendar days, but the next session day, ibig sabihin kasunod na session day, yun ho ang impeachment kay Justice Corona. Tapos, noong December 13, base ho dito sa news reports, which quoted Chairman Neil Tupas, sabi ho dito sa Inquirer tsaka sa Philippine Star, House Committee readies impeach Raps versus 2 more
Objection, Your Honor.
justices,
He's
Your Honor.
testifying on a newspaper report. Hearsay, Your Honor.
Your Honor, he has already testified, Your Honor, on newspaper clippings in his possession, and there was no objection. So, I don't understand.
That's
why
our
there-
prerogative. We cannot object to that.
Let the witness answer. Anyway, that's a matter of record. In the newspaper, it can be very...
So, uulitin ko lang ho, Mr. Senate President, Your Honor. December 7, 2011, pinagbotohan ho sa Committee on Justice yung substance ng Del Castillo impeachment alleging him of plagiarism.
Objection, Your Honor. It's not responsive because this is December 7 and the question is, pagkatapos,
Hindi
after
po.
December
Sinabi ko
12,
po meron pa
was
pong
there
iba.
any action?
He is already answering, Your Honor. How can he even object?
We're objecting,
There is
Your Honor,
already
because
an answer propounded by the witness.
the answer is not responsive. It will be stricken out.
What was the question of...
The question, Your Honor, was what other measures, and it has been allowed, Your Honor, involving the judiciary as a preliminary question. And the witness